Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabriella. Today we're going to be doing a fun bedroom decor refresh. With fall right around the corner, I was thinking this is the perfect time to do this. Some pretty new bedding and throw pillows I want to put out, a few decor pieces, some new curtains, and then I want to finish off with a DIY project to our wardrobe. To show you the before, this is what our current bedroom looks like. The main thing I want to focus on is the bed. The bedding is not bad, but it's just a little bland. I want to add some personality to the space and make it feel a little more special and inviting when you walk in, since the bed does take up the majority of the room. This is my vanity. I really do love this space. It's probably one of the most used spaces in our apartment. I get ready here and I get unready here. I have one item I want to swap out here. I'm also going to replace the curtains, replace the rod with a brass rod. You can see how they kind of are scrunchy on top. It just looks a little messy to me, so I'm switching to a different style of curtain. And then right next to the vanity is this wardrobe. So I'm going to do a DIY wallpaper inside these panels and then replace the hardware just to make it feel like a more designed look. On the table, I laid out some of the bedding and the decor pieces that I want to decorate with. I really wanted the bed to feel like you just want to jump in it and it looks so cozy and relaxing. I feel like the best way to do that is through layers. I really wanted to play around with print mixing. Found this really pretty quilt from Target. It has a brown floral print with channel quilting. Knitted quilt from Amazon. This really pretty plaid pillowcase from Magnolia Home. I love how it's a plaid design, but it also adds texture. This floral print pillowcase, which has almost a vintage look. This chocolate brown, almost like chenille material pillowcase. I got these beige curtains. Right now my curtains are pure white, but I thought this kind of like oatmeal-y off-white color would look really pretty. Just add a little bit more warmth. I also decided to opt for pinch pleat curtains this time. And then I got these antique brass rings to hold up the curtains on the rod. I found these antique brass cabinet pulls on Amazon and I really want to use these. And then this peel and stick wallpaper. I love the texture and the brown tone that it adds. It'll be perfect for DIYing our wardrobe. And then to finish it off, I have this little canister, which I'll show you what I'm going to do with. Pretty glass brown base, perfect for fall. And this cute little marble dish. Here's my little drilling hack. I just take a large sticky note, fold it in half, and then stick it right below the hole where I drill. It just collects all the dust so it doesn't get all over the room for a very easy cleanup. I pushed the hardware out more, about 7 inches from where it previously was, so that the curtain has more room to scrunch at the side. Now I'm going to finish attaching these rings and hooks to the curtain so I can hang them up on the rod. So the curtains are all hung. As you can see, I'm missing a couple of rings, so they're not laying flat, but I ordered them on Amazon and they should be here by tomorrow. But this side has all the rings and look at how neat it looks. I'm really loving what the pinch pleat curtain is doing along with the rings. It makes it feel just a lot more neat and clean and also elevated. Then I'm just going through and steaming out some of these deep wrinkles so it'll feel all complete once the hooks get here tomorrow. Now onto the bedding. We got this really nice sheet set from Cozy Earth. It was actually a wedding gift and I've been so excited to use it. The sheet set came packaged inside this really nice reusable tote bag, which was a really fun surprise to open and see because who doesn't love a free tote? This duvet cover from Crate & Barrel is so beautiful. I love that it's a solid color, but the linen material makes it feel very textural. I'll show you guys my trick for easily putting the duvet insert inside the duvet cover. Unzip it or unbutton it. Grab one of the corners of the duvet insert. I open up the bottom of the duvet cover and I weave it through and find the very top corner of the duvet cover. I grab it and I do not let go. So right now I'm holding the duvet insert along with the duvet cover like this. And then you can kind of just weave it all in until you get to this bottom corner. And then once you get to the bottom corner, grab the bottom end and then you stick it right in the corner and you hold on to that. Then you do the same exact thing with the other side. Grab the corner, go all the way to the top corner, and grab it and hold it tight, and then you can weave the rest in. And then once you get to this bottom corner, you just stick the rest in and then find this other corner as well. Just kind of fluff it out and there you go.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
all done. I really love how it came out. Before, it just felt very plain and flat, and now it has depth to it. It feels so much more cozy, and it honestly just has more personality to it. Also, I just want to show you guys how much of a difference a good pillow insert makes. This is the old pillow that was on it. It's so flat, and then this is the new pillow. Just look at the difference of how thin this one. This is like a little pancake, so flat, and then this one's so nice and fluffy. I really love these inserts so much. You can do the karate chop really easily. I'll link them in the description if you want to get them. They're from Amazon. I also tried to make sure I was picking different materials for everything, so not everything felt exactly the same. I can't wait to get in bed tonight, because getting to bed, especially when you put on new sheets, is honestly the best feeling ever. The rest of the curtain rings just arrived, so I'm going to put these on the curtains and then put out some more decor. Okay, all the hooks are on. It looks so much better now. I'm so excited. I really love how they came out. On my makeup vanity, I have this cup that's holding my makeup brushes. And as you can see, there's nothing special about it. It does have this little gold detail at the top, which is nice. It just feels a little too plain. So I've been searching for weeks to find different makeup brush holders, and I just could not find a makeup brush holder that I really liked. So I decided to look at other things besides makeup brush holders and cups. And I found this really pretty canister from Target. It comes in a set of 2. This is the Studio McGee Threshold collab. It comes with this sort of beigey taupe color, and then also came with like a creamy white larger one. Figured that this smaller version could be perfect to hold my makeup brushes. The fluted texture that it has ties into the fluted glass texture of the vase. It has this sort of matte, gritty texture. I just thought it was a really nice contrast with the rest of my vanity, which has a lot of glass and smooth lines and shiny surfaces. Thought this was really nice to help balance everything out. The last thing I want to work on in the bedroom is a little DIY project. This is the wardrobe that houses all Dom's clothes, and then I use the wall closet. I only have one closet in this entire apartment, so this wardrobe is very necessary. Luckily, we do have a bed that has storage underneath, so that has been a lifesaver for also storing clothes. This wardrobe is from IKEA, and I want to DIY it a little bit just to make it feel a little bit more unique and elevated. I got this peel and stick wallpaper off Amazon. I did a similar DIY cabinet for the living room, and that houses a lot of my shoes and bags, so I'll link that in the description as well if you want to go watch that one. I picked a very similar peel and stick wallpaper. This one's a slightly darker brown color, which I think will be really pretty just to tie in with the bedding. So my plan is to put the wallpaper in these 2 recessed panels right here. And then I got these 3 pretty handles from Amazon as well. And this is a similar finish to the vanity mirror and also the new curtain rods. I feel like it'll really just help tie everything together. DIY projects like this are so fun because they can completely transform the look of something for a really affordable price. This already looks so much nicer, it looks very custom, and it's fun because you have something unique. I'm really happy with how it came out. I feel like it ties the whole room together now and it makes this side of the room feel more complete. I had so much fun filming this bedroom decor refresh. The changes I've made today really made such a big difference in the overall space. It just feels more elevated and more designed now. I also thought the play of patterns was really fun to do on the bed. It just shows that you can mix different prints and patterns in fun ways as long as the color schemes all go together, and they don't necessarily all have to be neutrals. It could be blues and grays or whatever you think could look nice. I really hope this video inspired you and maybe gave you some ideas for your bedroom. I have some more fun fall videos coming up which I'm really excited about, including a fall decor video where I update my whole entire apartment. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos, and I will see you in the next one.